Yep. So, yep. Hey pistons, Matt Piston here. I hope you guys are doing great. So today's video is about the relay. I will show you. So this is the relay pistons. This is the starter relay. You can check it with the number also. This is the starter relay. We are gonna change this relay. You guys may think where it is located. Let me show you. So I think you guys can see. See, this is the relay. Like 5 relays will be there. Each will do individual things. I will show you. I will tell you one by one. Yep. So this is the relay. We are gonna fix one relay with this new one. For for fixing this relay, we need to open the tank. We are not gonna open complete fairing. We are just gonna remove the tank. For that we need to remove this 3 bolt, then this tank bolts, then this 3 bolts. We will remove and we will start doing. I will show you one by one. So this is the process we need to do. We are gonna change this like for the past 5 months I was facing one issue. Like it's a starting issue. This is a starter relay. This is the starter relay. For the past 5 months I was facing like if I stop my bike anywhere in the signal or somewhere, I will off it with the kill switch. So when I try to on the kill switch, the ignition is not happening. I don't know why. Some glitches are running with this relay, and I'm getting one sound in the left side. In the left side of the tank I'm getting one sound like tick tick kind of sound I was getting in the relay. So I'm not sure if I change the relay it will run properly. So I'm thinking like that. So let we do DIY kind of thing to solve this issue. If the issue is going, it will be good. If it is not, then we will do R&D. So this is it. And I forgot to tell you guys, like before changing the relay you need to disconnect the battery. Disconnect the battery unit, then you guys can change the relay. Disconnect one. That is enough. Do it slowly guys, there is no hurry. So do it slowly. So I guess we just remove the tank, close the petrol tank with the lid. See, now you guys can see the relay. Yeah, let me zoom little. See, you guys can see the names. I don't think so you guys can see the name. So this is the headlight relay. The names will be mentioned on below. See, this is, let me zoom out. I hope you guys will see in the zoom out state. See, this is the fan relay. So this is the fan relay, and this is main relay. This is the main. If this is gone, no other relay will work. So this is the main relay. And this one, this is the fuel pump relay, and this first one is the starter relay. Yep, so this is the relays, and we are facing issue with this relay. So today we are gonna change this one. Yep, it will be little hard to remove the relay pistons, so we have to do it slowly so that you can remove it easily. Use this nose blade to remove the relay pistons, because if you never remove the relay means it will get stuck. So we just need to use the nose blade to remove the. So this is the old one. You guys can see, I think. It's corroded pistons. See? So that's why it's not working, I think. See pistons. This is the old one, this is the new one. Both are same. But this one got corroded. This one got too much corroded pistons. That's why I was facing the issue, I think so. I'm not sure like this is the main issue or not. Just I am doing in my knowledge what I can able to do. It's hot pistons. So what happened now is like, see, this is the relay one. I mean, we are gonna change this one only. I pressed it so hard, so this one went beneath this plastic. So what happened is I can't able to pull it out, so I just removed the screw and I pull this one out. So don't press too hard pistons. Yep. And see this one, we need screwdriver to unlock this one. See, it got locked. To unlock this one we need to press here with the screwdriver and we need to pull it out. So learn from mistake pistons. I don't know why my DJ is getting heat. It is getting too much warm pistons. It's unbearable. Yep, we just changed this new one piston. This is the starter one. This is the starter relay. And this one is the pump relay. And this is the main one. This is the fan. And this is the headlight. So here it is empty. I think for 390 some other relay will come. I think it's 200, so just they left it. This gap gap is there. So yep, now we need to connect the battery and we will start and see pistons. So now we are gonna check this relay is working properly or not with the use of multimeter. So we just need to set it at 200. And see, connect one end here. And another one here. So we need to get in between 80 to 120. So we are getting 96, so it is working. So I think due to corrosion it was not working, but sometimes I think so pistons, but it is working. This is working perfectly, but sometimes I think So it's working perfectly, pistons. Yep. So this is the main relay pistons. Both are same pistons. Both are same. We will check this main relay because it is not showing any error. We will check this one also, then we will. So in the main relay we are getting 100. We need to get in between 80 to 120, but we in this one we are getting 100. We fixed. We will see. Is it getting solved or still it is showing error? We will see pistons. So this is the headlight only. Everything is same pistons. All the relay is same. It got overheat pistons. So yeah, this is it. I hope you like the video. So just do subscribe for more videos. Yep. Bye pistons.